Did you know that coding is not just about writing lines of text anymore? In fact, it's like a whole new experience, thanks to what we call vibe coding. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of vibe coding, where senior developers have transformed into what some are calling AI babysitters. Intrigued? You should be. Stick around as we explore what vibe coding means, why it's a game changer, and what it means for the future of coding. All right, let's jump right in. First off, what exactly is vibe coding? Imagine coding as a jam session with your favorite band. Instead of following a strict script, you're creating music on the fly, responding to the vibe of the room. That's vibe coding. Instead of painstakingly typing out every line, developers are now using AI tools that do a lot of the heavy lifting for them. It's a collaborative, interactive experience. So instead of stressing over syntax errors, devs can focus on creativity and innovation. Now, here's the kicker. Have you ever wondered why senior developers are loving this shift, even if it means spending a bit more time managing these AI systems? Well, here's point number 2. It frees up their time for more critical tasks. Think about it. Instead of debugging code for hours, they can guide the AI, tweak its outputs, and actually focus on high-level problem solving. It's like having a smart assistant who handles the nitty-gritty details while you make the big calls. Who wouldn't want that? Next, let's discuss adaptation. It's no secret that technology moves at lightning speed, but vibe coding allows even the most seasoned developers to keep pace. They're not just babysitting AI, they're learning to dance with it. This means they're continuously evolving their skills, which is not only exciting, but also crucial in staying relevant in this industry. So, while they might spend a bit more time in the AI sandbox, they're actually honing their abilities to work in tandem with these advanced tools. And finally, let's address the elephant in the room: job security. With AI becoming more prevalent, many might wonder if vibe coding threatens jobs in tech. But here's the good news. It's creating new types of roles. Instead of eliminating jobs, it's changing them, bringing in new opportunities for those who can blend coding skills with a deep understanding of AI. So, while some might feel like they're simply watching the AI, they're really paving the way for a new wave of creativity and efficiency in our tech ecosystem. To wrap it all up, vibe coding is more than just a trend. It's a revolution in how we approach software development. By turning senior devs into AI babysitters, we're actually empowering them to focus on what matters most: innovation, creativity, and teamwork with our trusty AI pals. So, if you enjoyed this little dive into the world of vibe coding, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe for more content like this, and drop a comment below sharing your thoughts on vibe coding. Are you ready to jam with AI? Thanks for watching, and see you next time.